Welcome to ABC Sand and Rock. My name is Sophia. Today we're at our 1804 North 27th Avenue location, and I'm going to be showing you our new rebar products. We have 3 sizes of rebar in stock. We have 3, 4, and 5. All 3 sizes are available in 10 and 20 foot. Let's talk about rebar number 3. Rebar number 3 is 3/8 in diameter. It's available in 10 and 20 foot lengths. Rebar number 3 is typically used in residential patio slabs. It's great for sidewalks and walkways. It's also great for DIY concrete projects. The next size of rebar I'd like to talk about is rebar number 4. Rebar number 4 is 1/2 inch in diameter and available in 10 and 20 feet in length. It's great for garage slabs and driveways, stem walls, and foundation footings. Now let's talk a little bit about rebar number 5. Rebar number 5 is 5/8 in diameter and available in 10 and 20 foot as well. Common applications for rebar number 5 are large concrete foundations, structural footings and grade beams, retaining and load-bearing walls, driveways for heavy vehicle traffic, and heavy-duty support columns. Thank you for exploring our high-quality rebar products at ABC Sand and Rock. Whether you're tackling a small DIY project or managing a large construction site, our durable rebar solutions are designed to provide the strength and support your project's need. Don't forget, our expert team is here to help you. Choose the right products for your specific needs. Visit us today or check out our website for more information and to place your order. Transform your next project with ABC Sand and Rock, where quality meets reliability. See you next time.